So this is our front yard and the street of our house. There's our neighbor's car. It's technically snowed in. Oh, and there goes a squirrel. And there's our neighbor's house. This is our front house. As you can see, there's part of the road. As maybe you can see, there's our mailbox. And there's our neighbor's truck, which is also snowed in. So technically, you barely can see anything. Like, you can't see our walkway to the door. See there, the bushes are technically snowed in. This won't focus. Yeah, there's a car that's also snowed in, a BMW and a Honda. Oops. Here's my brother. And so yeah, technically there's a lot of stuff, a lot of snow. Okay, that's it.